Hello YouTube! In this video I will show you how to change transmission oil on Fiat Tipo with 1.4 liter gasoline engine. First, lift the car up. After you have done that, you should remove under tray plastic shield under the engine, unscrew 5 screws with Phillips head screwdriver. There are 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. In front of the car there are additionally 2 10mm head hex bolts that should be removed, together with 2 13mm head hex bolts in the back. Then you can gently wiggle under tray panel out and put it aside. On transmission we can now see 2 plugs, one for filler hole and one for oil drain. They have blue thread locker around from the factory. First, untighten one for filling of the transmission, as if you have any troubles removing it, you cannot fill the transmission later with oil and your car will be stuck. Use 12mm hex bead socket for filler hole plug. Before removing filler plug completely, I advise you to put oil drain pan below transmission, as few drops of oil can come out through filler hole and you should try to avoid mess as much as possible. With oil pan in place, you can now remove drain plug from the transmission. For this, use 8mm hex key. When oil drains completely, you can screw back drain plug. Use common sense for torquing it down to not damage transmission housing. Required oil for the transmission is SAE 75W. I used Liqui Moly MTF 5175W, which comes with handy packaging, to fill transmission directly from the container. You can of course use any other suitable oil, as long as it meets specification. Transmission takes about 1.8 liters of oil, so I suggest you to buy 2 liters for this job. Now, fill the transmission with oil through fill hole on the side of the transmission. If your oil container does not have such handy design, you can always use a funnel and hose or some kind of pump to fill up transmission. Oil syringe is also often used option. When oil starts to pour out of filler hole, transmission is full. Screw filler plug back on. Tighten to reasonable torque. Clean all oily spots with brake cleaner and that is more or less it. Mount plastic shield back on in opposite order and you are good to go. Shifting was definitely smoother after oil change, so I would recommend you to do it every 50,000 kilometers, since oil costs under 30 euros for 2 liters. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.